In this video, I will show you how to download and use Google Chat. First of all, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Google Chat. Then install it. Once it's installed, click on Open. Now you might directly get logged into the account that is in your device. If that's not the account you want to use Google Chat in, click on this account icon in the top right corner. Then click on the account that you want to use for Google Chat. Now this is your home screen. To chat with anyone, simply click on this chat icon beside your home icon. Click on Add. Now you can search for the person you want to chat with. Click on it. Then click on Done. After that, this chat will open. You can simply start talking with them. You can also chat with voice from this icon. You can use any emojis. Then from this plus icon, you can select photos, you can select GIFs, you can select app, you can even send Google Meet links, you can upload files or you can share a drive. Then at the top of the screen, you can see this call icon. If you click on it, you will be able to make audio call with the person. And similarly, there is also video call option. And that's it. That's how you can download and use Google Chats. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.